playing the Animal Company Reactor update, which I already like played a little bit, like just a little bit, so I got the new items and I saw the new thing. So basically my reaction is gonna be mid, okay? So I saw that. I know I've been gone for a while.
Hello.
Look at this, yeah.
Where'd you guys go? Bro, wait.
Oh, I don't need that.
You wait. Who wants to ride me? Who wants to ride on me?
Because it's cool and goofy looking people.
Then why did you say you're on our team? I'm on their team.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Meow, meow.
Enrique!
Huntrix, we need help.
100. Yo, how unemployed are you? Yeah, no, it's actually not a 6-7, yo. I would actually give it 6 or 7. Bro, I didn't even touch radiation. Come on, bro. Get over there. Bro, did you guys activate it, bro? Don't tell me you guys activated it. No! Why'd you guys activate it? Oh my god. I have to turn it off now. Okay, whatever. We're gonna turn that off. And I'm quitting Gorilla Tag temporarily. Actually, I'm quitting until I can play again, because I have KID. So I'm quitting until I can play again. So if I can play again, I'm not quitting. Oh my. I think those are butt cheeks. There's like no way we can explain it. Those are butt cheeks. I'm ready to fight anything. What the heck? Nah, they activated it. Oh, those are people. We need these. Oh my god. Give me that. Get in my backpack. Put in my cup, little boy. Okay, I got 3 of them. Let's see. Let's give more energy. Maybe we have to put it at its fullest. Put in my cup, little boy. There you go. Okay. That sounded weird. Oh boy. With having a fractured foot, I could low-key. I have like one of those weird boot things. I don't have a clasp. I have one of those weird boot things, so I'll probably put an image on screen. So, and somehow that allows me to stand, but not in a very comfortable way. That's why I'm using snap turn. So, yo, can the radiation go down? I need to go find a shower, bro. No. Yes. No. Put it in my cup, little boy. Put it in my cup, little boy. Holy. Low-key, we can make that. Low-key, we made that. Put in my cup, little boy. Fuel tank. Put every single one of these green orbs in there.
It don't matter, it's a red building.
I don't care. I need to put more fuel. I want to put more fuel. Hey, who hit me? Hey!
Me.
Why are you hitting me?
walking
That's not
status.
nice. Oh, look, a shower. I need the shower.
Ah!
Well, I guess the door's already open. I guess all you have to do is just put on. What are these ugly things? I'm so sorry. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry. That's a mini cyst.
It ain't assist.
That's a mini cyst, okay? That's a mini cyst.
That ain't a cyst, that's a snail.
Bro, I don't care. That looks like a cyst. That's like a baby version
Did
of a
I
cyst.
ask? No.
Okay. What the heck is this place, bro?
Chicken nugget.
I do not understand a single thing on what's happening. We do not want to jump down there, definitely. We do not want to do that. What the heck? Yo, okay, I'm not, yo, okay. We have to go inside one of these. We have to go. We just have to, oh my god. Yeah, we got cooked. But we have to go, like, what, wait, what? Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll go in here, I'm sorry. Oh, look what we have one of these. Wait, we can maybe blind him? Yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm just walking through. Sure. We have to, there's definitely something to do in here. There's definitely like a vat of acid that doesn't have anything inside of it, and it's like a secret entrance. Oh my freaking god. There has to be like something. Wait, this one. Oh, this one. How am I supposed to do this? Oh no, this one is the one that busted out. And wait, what the freak am I supposed to do? I feel like we're supposed to go. Huh. This is weird. But there's this like doors. They're so weird. Okay, I guess. Ooh, cool stuff. Did they bring back red flashlights? Oh, no, it's gone. Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm sorry. Is that a grappler? Oh my god, this saved my life. How did this not blow up? Okay, whatever. There's definitely... If you let me through... Yo, a shotty? Oh, I bet. Yo, you want to be like that? Fuck you. Take this. Okay, bum. Alright, bit. Okay. Give me this. Okay. That's all we needed. A beautiful MRE. And a teleporter. Oh, I got it. Holy. But I'm still confused. What are we supposed to do in this room? I swear there has to be like some secret. Wait, what's in that room? Okay, I guess there's nothing to do in this room. I'm still confused what to do in this factory. Holy, I almost fell. I have a serious question. Should I keep doing videos? Should I keep like doing videos like, with my fractured foot, or should I just rest until my foot is okay? Put it down in the comments, please. Or should I just upload, or should I just like do like, I don't know, Roblox games? I don't know if I can record on Roblox. What the heck? What am I hearing? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, so this is a killer dog. That's what you're telling me. I'm dead. Okay. So a killer dog kills me, okay? Okay. That's reasonable.
Look, my saddle part.
Is there like anything to do in the new factory map or like Radioactive?
Why is there a
saddle.
black man in here?
Okay,
Oh my god.
I want to buy that.
Well, I know. Wait, let's shake him off. Am I
well.
a saddle? Oh, am I a saddle?
Yeah, you are a
Nah,
saddle.
but you're a dickhead. Somebody give me one of those scanners.
Okay.
Scanner.
Well,
Scanner. Scanner. banner.
tell me if I missed anything down.
So basically what I try to say is, tell me down below in the comments if I missed anything. I'm sorry, I'm running out of time. And also comment if I should keep playing BR with my fractured foot. Well, see you guys, love you guys. Subscribe if you want. See you guys. Blah, 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 blah. Subscribe if you want. Like the video if you liked it, and comment. Bye.